What's going on, beautiful people? Lord God Almighty, I'm just okay. How you doing? How's everyone enjoying this weather? If you are in New York, you would know that man, it's crazy hot. Cause we like this is the summer. So what are you guys doing during the summer? Comment below. Let me know what you guys are doing during the summer because it's I went out yesterday. I bought myself like 3 bowls of ice cream. Crazy, right? Yes, that's how hot the summer is here in New York, in the United States. So I'd like to know what you guys are doing. How you guys doing? How you guys enjoying the summer? A couple of my friends have been going for BBQ, going to the beach, to swim, hanging out. Let me know what you guys are doing. Comment below. In the meantime, I ordered for a package on Amazon. It's like a portable fan, like a portable air condition, and it came true. And I just want to share that with you guys. I want to unbox it and just let's see what it looks like because I've never used it before. And I was thinking about the summer, like how am I going to do during the summer? How am I going to be like when I'm going outside? I mean, fine. I have AC in my house, I have AC in my car, but there are some places you will be going to that I will be going to, and they most likely won't have an air condition. And I hate sweating my ass off during the summer. Like especially when I'm going to some place and I'm trying to be official, and boom, the sweat just starts coming, your face, your armpits, like right now, sweaty. You see that? Jesus Christ. So that is why I got this product, and it came true. Came true. Okay. So we'll see what is in it, and this is it right here. The package came, and it's the I never tried this before, but hopefully it's one of the best products. It's the leafless hanging neck fan. Leafless hanging neck fan. And we'll see what's inside and how it functions. So this is brand new. I'm gonna break the seal and see what's exactly inside the box. Oh no. So right here, you see this? Wow. Yeah, I like that. So let's see. So this is the product. It's a neck fan, and I'm going to 34th Street right now, so I'm going to be test running this item, see how it works. Well, let's see what it comes with. So it came with the manual instruction. It's pretty simple, just one page. So it says this is everything that came with. The specification, I'm just gonna, you see the specification? Y'all see that? Okay, I'm just gonna read it. So the specification is: one, it's a neck fan. Two, it's a battery. It has an inbuilt battery of 3000 mAh. Its weight is 0.3 kg. The input is DC5V/1A. Charge port is a Type C charging port. I think it came with a Type C cable as well. So this should be the Type C cable. Let's see what's inside. Break this. Yeah, you see? Type C cable. Yeah, Type C cable. I don't think I have like a whole bunch of those. So charging port is Type C. The size is 17 to 20.7 20.76 centimeter. This is weird. You see right here, 17 by 20.7 by 6 centimeter. Oh, so that should be like the width is 17. Okay, the length is 20.7, and then the height around the neck is 6 centimeter. And it's weight, because this is going to be on your neck, it's going to be pretty heavy because it's 0.3 kg. That will be, let's see, pounds to kg. Let me look it up. Pounds to kg. So 0.3 kg, let's see, 0.3. So that's 6.6 pounds. Okay, 6.6 pounds. So that means you'll be walking around the city with 6.6 pounds item around your neck. And it says how to use. Press the on and off button. So you press the on and off button. Let me just take it out so we all see it. This is right here. Review. So it says press on and off button. I believe this is it. You see that? It says the on and off button. This looks really cool though. It looks really cool. But let's say it's like this. Ooh. Yeah, see that? Alright, so let's go through the manual first. So press the on and off button to turn on level 1. Second press for level 2. And then third press for level 3. Alright? And then press again to turn it off. First instruction. Second, press the cool button. I believe this is the cool button right here. You see that? It's under the on and off button. Okay. So press the cool button to. This is the place where the air will. See, this is where the air will be coming out from. Right here, and inside here. So it says press the cool button to turn on the cooling mode and the blue indicator lights. Okay, and press again to turn off the cooling mode. So you have to press it to turn on, press it to the basic instruction. The next thing is the light keeps flashing when the battery is low, so you have to pay attention to the light. This is where the light is coming from. This is the way the USB Type-C goes into the charging port. These are the light indicators right here. So notice when the light is flashing, it means your battery is low. Please charge the device more than 2 hours before using. Pay attention to this. Please charge the device more than 2 hours before using. Okay, charge the device more than 2 hours before using. Please make sure the hot air outlet, this place, and the wind inlet are not being covered when using to avoid affecting the cooling effect. Let's see there are further instruction on the box. So this is the box. The box doesn't have any further instruction. So I think we basically covered everything. Comfortable natural wind. Blah blah blah. Well, that's it. So we will power this. So like I said, one of the instructions is to charge the device for more than 2 hours before using it. Being that I just took it out of the box and I want to power it on before you guys, I will just turn it on for about 5 minutes, use it and just see what it feels like, and then I'll go back and charge it real quick. Okay, real quick. See, I'm sweating my balls out. Oh god. Okay, so we have this. Remember, one press for level 1. The fan, oh, not the right way. The fan is supposed to be upward because you want to cool your face, right? So one press for level 1. So this is going to be on your left side if your fan is facing upward. So one press for level 1, and I'm going to press this. God. Okay. Yeah, see that? I can feel the fan now. Yeah, you feel the fan. So the fan, it's blowing my face now. See, I'm sweating though, but you see my sweat? Yeah, wipe that out. So that one is there. Imagine what I'm gonna look like on the street. I have this around my neck, and then I have my headphones that I walk around with. That's right here. Jesus Christ! Look at me. I look like a like a sci-fi dude, right? So I walk around with this. So that's level 1. Let me go on level 2. Let me go on level 2 now. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? It's level 2, and then let me go to level 3. Now it's blowing in my face, like really blowing in my face. So that's level 3. I can feel the wind. So let me relax. And it doesn't end there. Now the cooling effect. This is the cooling effect. The cooling is down here. Let me take it off. This is the cooling right here. I'm gonna press this because I want some cool air. Shit, my beard. This is cooling effect. So let me relax. So I'm going to be walking around Times Square with my portable fan. I'm the only one using this in New York. Most likely. Truth is, I've never seen anyone use it. It's a portable AC on my neck. And it's not so heavy. Remember I said it's about 6.3 pounds? Or 6.6 pounds, rather. It's not so heavy. Well, the cooling, I don't feel much difference. Maybe after a while, but it's still just like the fan. It's pretty much a fan around your neck. The price roughly. Let's see if I can find the price. How much is it? Let me look it up on Amazon. Give me 1 second. My order. Let's see. How much did this sell for? Let's see. So this is $50 on Amazon. Sells for $50 on Amazon. If anything, I'll drop the link below where you can get it. And that is it. Remember, it's summer. Go out there and have tons of fun. And leave comments below. Let me know what you guys are doing for fun this summer. Until next time, remember to always be your best self. Dapo Ibrahim and boom, out.